Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I fry my eggplant. My children love this recipe, so hope you like it too. In a bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, sprinkle it with black pepper and MSG or salt. In a separate bowl, I add 1 cup of breadcrumbs. We need also eggs for this recipe, so I crack 3 eggs in a separate bowl. Add salt and black pepper. After all done, let's prepare the main ingredient for this recipe, the eggplant. Wash the eggplant properly and then cut them into pieces. Cut the eggplant evenly. Make it thin so that it becomes crispy later on. Now the eggplant is ready. Sprinkle some salt or MSG and then leave it there around 1 minute to absorb the salt. Now everything is ready, so let's start the procedure. First, coat the cut eggplant with flour evenly. Then next, dip the coated eggplant into egg, and then lastly into the breadcrumbs. Repeat this process many times until all the sliced eggplant are evenly coated. Move them into the bowl. This is how it looked like after. And then start frying. Once the oil is start boiling, reduce the heat into medium so that the eggplant will not get burned. Fry until golden brown and remove them from the oil after. This is how it looked like after, and then transfer them on a plate with wax paper to remove some excess oil. And let's prepare the sauce for this. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Add the chopped garlic, white onion, chili, and the green onion. Mix them all together. I also add sesame oil, around 1 tablespoon, and sesame seeds, and lastly, the red chili powder. Arrange them on a plate and serve it with our delicious sauce. I will show you how it looks like inside. That's how it looks like inside. It's really delicious. Hope you enjoy my recipe today. If you like, please give me thumbs up and please subscribe on my channel. See you next time. Bye bye. Sungwan? 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 Do you know what's this? What's that? You eat. Taste it. And then show me. How is it? What's that?
Chicken.
Huh?
Chicken.
Chicken?
What is that? Is that the furniture one?
You eat.
So tell everybody, what is it?
I don't know.
If you don't know,
One? What are you eating?
Chicken.
Chicken? Is it yummy? Really? Show me your chicken. It's an eggplant. How is it? Tastes like
Chicken.
chicken. Tastes like chicken. Do you know what's that?
No.
It's eggplant.